Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of the weekend. And welcome to your, kind of weekend update on Bitcoin. We're going to do a full update on the situation here. And just in general, everything you need to know. The current situation yesterday, was quite volatile. We got one, in the end it was just one major liquidation spike here into 61,600. After some relatively positive news with the non-farm payrolls, the NFP data. But in the end, turned into nothing. We never secured the bullish breakout, and that's also what we talked about yesterday in the middle of the day market updates. No, as a matter of fact, I think in a matter of like an hour or an hour and a half, we dropped all the way from 70,000 or 71,200, which was still good enough for a breakout because the main level to break out above was 70,500. So we were above that, and we dropped down rapidly below 70,000. Like on the 4-hour time frame, we never broke above that value area high. So purely technically right here, I mean, obviously, or at least in my opinion, on the 12-hour time frame, we are still bullish, all right? You can still clearly see that there's an uptrend here and that has not been broken. But the 4-hour time frame is just no longer bullish here. We have broken down below the trend. We've gotten some serious bearish breakdowns below the value area high, and this blue line is the value area high or the volume area high of the entire range between 54 and the all-time high. So that's quite an important level. And so yeah, short term, I think we're very much stuck in the middle. So then what I like to do, and in general what I like to do, and what I like to keep you updated on because I think it's very important, is the fundamentals. And the fundamentals in my eyes are leaning to be bearish, all right? If you take a look at the stock markets, NASDAQ, Russell 2000, Dollar Strength Index, those are all bearish. So those are kind of the financial shenanigans. Dollar Strength Index bounced up very, very nicely. S&P stock market's down quite a bit due to earning reports coming out last week. It's not the end of the world. I do expect this to continue to be bullish eventually. I don't think this was the all-time high and that will just fall down forever now. But still, it's at the moment, it's bearish. Now, what I did think is interesting is that if you actually take a look at the Coinbase premium right here, that's actually quite low, all right? So there's no excessive selling coming from the US or anything. But the thing is, and that's obviously the main thing that we need to focus on right now, that's the elections, all right? That's on Tuesday to Wednesday. That's going to cause a lot of volatility, all right? Volume right now across the markets is already dropping down a lot. Order books will thin out. So what that means is that volatility is coming. And I still think with the amount of leverage that we still have open, even though it dropped down quite a bit yesterday over the course of the afternoon with all the liquidations, I still think that we'll see a sell the news effect, all right? And I think the technicals, if we go to the daily time frame here, at a major level here, breaking down below the value area high on the daily as well, I think that lines up with it very, very well. So over the course of the next couple of days, I think it's most likely, and I have to say I'm positioned like that as well. I have a couple of shorts open at the moment. But I think it's most likely that we will drop down lower and that we will lose the uptrend on the 4-hour time frame and drop down to this level right here, at least between 67 and 66,000, but possibly even lower. And that I'll keep you updated on. That is at least what I think you need to know for now. I don't expect much movement on a Saturday. Usually that's not a day where you get a lot of movement, but tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, I do expect that. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.